Hey everybody, I'm Keith and you're watching Rivers, Ponds and Campfires. If you like adventure and outdoor content, well, this is the place for you. Hey everybody, what a gorgeous day here. My name is Keith and you're watching Rivers, Ponds and Campfires. I'm back up to the Bushcraft log cabin. Yesterday I had a chance now to dig out a plot for planting some vegetables. Today I'm hoping to put some potato, turnip and carrot into the ground. But before I do that, it's such a nice calm day here with hardly any wind. I got a new DJI drone last year. Now first off, this is something I bought out of my own money for the channel and something that I wanted to try on my own, so it's not an endorsement of DJI in any means whatsoever. But because there's hardly any wind and such a beautiful day, I thought what a great time to fly the drone a bit, get a couple aerial shots before I actually plant the garden. So I've flown the DJI Neo a couple times. First got it around a year ago, so I used it in a couple of camping adventures last year when I slept in the Jeep. And there was one when I went fishing. I caught a nice sized trout the next morning, and another one I did some Jeep camping up in a nice pond area there by Cochrane Pond in St. John's. Anyway, the great thing about this drone, the DJI Neo, is you can hook it up to the remote control. So if I hook it up to the remote control, I can fly it around and get some really cool shots. But there's also a couple of things with the drone that you can use, which makes it really useful for shooting outdoor stuff. If you just want to have some quick shots and you don't want to set it up your remote control, I can turn it on and I can do, there's 6 functions that basically they're just pre-programmed functions, and the AI just tracks your face, so it'll follow you. You'll do a drone shot or a rocket, that sort of thing. So I'll just show you what I mean for that. I'm going to do a drone shot, so it's basically just going to go back around 15 meters or so, and then it's going to fly forward
10 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Hoping it's not going to hit a tree. Alright, so let's try that again. There's like one tree here in the background, so you do got to be careful if there's any stuff in the background, that sort of thing. So this time I'm just going to do a rocket, which will go straight up in the air, so I should be fine.
Circle. Rocket. 10 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
Now I'm going to hook it up to the remote. So there's an app on my phone. And there's a cord here that attaches the phone to the remote control itself. So pretty cool. Still getting used to it, but it's a lot of fun. I actually lost the first one that I had last year, but you can buy like an insurance with DJI. Anyway, pretty cool. I just wanted to fly that because it's such a nice, beautiful day. It's really calm here. So anyway, it's time now to get back to the vegetable garden. Got a bit of work to do, and when I get those seeds in the ground. So yesterday I got 2 drills put in over this way, and I started a third. So it's only going to be a small garden. I'm looking at 1 row for potatoes, 1 for carrots, and 1 for turnip. So I'm just going to finalize the 3rd row. So I got 2 coming this way, then I got the 3rd perpendicular over here. So just making the most of the space that I have there. As you can see yesterday, there was a lot of rocky ground, definitely, especially that big rock that I hauled up. So I'm going to get that 3rd drill in, and then I'm going to get the seeds in the ground. Just going to put my last potato plant here. I can always expand this next year if I'm successful with the garden this year. This is a nice little experimental project. Alright, so starting in with the carrots. Alright, so the last row here, I'm going to plant the turnips. These are really small seeds. So that's how small the turnip seeds are. So kind of tricky just to get 2 or 3 in each trench, but that's the plan. Well, that's it for the garden. Now it's all planted. Got the potato, got the carrots, got the turnip. So now it's just a matter of watching out over the next couple of weeks and see how they make out. And once they start sprouting, of course, I'll have to come up and weed them and that. So that's pretty neat. Make sure you check back in now and see how they grow throughout the summer. Well, I'm definitely enjoying just kind of being up here, hanging out at the cabin. It's definitely a lot more laid back than the actual process of building the cabin last summer. Yesterday was definitely a little bit of work getting the garden prepped and that. But today, my only goal was to get the vegetable garden planted. So it's around 12:30. I'm getting pretty hungry, so it's time now to get some lunch started. A little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of black pepper, just a little dash of regular salt. So I was definitely reminded about how much work I still got left to do. I was going to relax in the hammock for a little bit after coffee, but I definitely got to limb out some of those trees and get all those branches and everything away. Probably stack up all the wood that I'm going to cut up with the chainsaw for firewood. Just stack it up here, and then when I'm up to more, I can just cut everything in one spot. Well, that's just about it for today. One last thing I'm going to do is hook up the trail cam just to see if there's anything down around where I planted the vegetables too. If I start to notice a lot of like rabbits down around, I guess I'll have to put up a little fence, but I'll see how it goes and check out the trail cam now in the next couple of days. Whoa. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Rivers, Ponds, and Campfires. I'm enjoying getting back up here now during summer vacation and working on the cabin. Focus the past couple days has been just on the garden, but tomorrow I got to focus on the grounds. Get all this windfall, like I said, and then moving into fixing up the roof, patching up the moss and that in the next couple of days. So thanks for joining me on this episode of Rivers, Ponds, and Campfires. We'll see you guys soon.